Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to record screen in mobile and PC without watermark. Don't waste the time, let's get started. What is screen recording software? Screen recording software can record the entirety or portions of your computer or mobile screen. The recording can include everything from your taps and cursor movements to typing a URL into your browser to help people learn what to do and how to do it. Now I am going to show you how to record PC screen without watermark. You need to download an application to record the screen. You can download the app using these steps. 1. Open your browser and search for OBS and open the link from obsproject.com. 2. OBS software is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Here we are going to download for Windows computer. 3. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file to install. To install, first of all, you have to give Windows permission. Now on the setup window, click on Next, accept the license agreement, select your installation path and click on the Install button. 4. Now when you open OBS Studio for the first time, you have to agree to their license agreement. Now the software is ready to use. To record the computer screen, create a scene by click Add button at the Scene tab. After you have created a scene, you have to create a source. For that, click on the Add button under the Source tab and select Display Capture and click on Start Recording to record. Now you can record your computer screen without watermark. How to record the mobile screen. 1. Open Play Store. 2. Search mobizen screen recorder and click Install. 3. Now click Open and follow the instructions. How to remove watermark. You can see watermark successfully removed. Currently, mobizen is only available for Android devices. Do you want to know how to record screen on iPhone? Let me know below. Now you know how to record screen on mobile and PC without watermark. Do you have any questions about this video? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribe. Otherwise, see you next time.